You on an Acer Aspire 5552 series how to replace the DC jack onto the laptop. So I've already started taking off all the screws. I took the battery out, and this screw here, you take it out, and there's your DVD-ROM. Take these screws here out, and there will be another screw here, and you can take your hard drive out. Don't drop it like I did. There'll be another screw down here. We'll take him out. Once you got those done, at the top here you're going to have these little tabs. And there's a tab there, there's a tab here, the tab here, tab, tab. And what you're going to do is you're going to press on the tab inward and slightly lifting up on the keyboard. Don't pull too hard on your key because you can pull these keys up, and you can see this is already missing a key from whatever they did before. So we'll get this started. Try to demonstrate a little bit of it. And I bought this pick at Walmart. It's a dental pick. I need to use that a lot for my videos, especially for stuff like this. Now once I got that one corner up, I just put my nail underneath the metal, and I keep going down the line. And then I can lift up on the keyboard. You fold the keyboard towards you, and you're going to press on the white piece towards you, and that'll remove the keyboard. Now you have to disconnect your trackpad, and this will pull out. You will want to do that for the speaker and as well for your power switch. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws here to take off. And this piece here, you'll see in the next clip, will come up, and your power jack is on the left hand side. Now you can see that it's already lifted up on this side. You can now start going around the edge. And this laptop has already been previously worked on. So it's going to look a little bit different from what yours is. And they have broke off the hinge piece here. Oh. Make sure you take the cable completely out. Alright. So, power jack is right here. As you can see, I've already worked on this before. And I did not know the power jack was faulty. The power jack is underneath this cable here. You have to take this screw up. Looks like that's the only ones. The only one, yeah. That screw there. Go ahead and disconnect this piece here. You will probably have to disconnect this cable here. Don't break it. This is for your screen. And you will have to take this screw here, that screw there, and that screw here up, because when you take the keyboard, the motherboard up, the processor fan will go along with it. Connect the other one. This just simply lifts up. You had to take off your hinge for your laptop, and this lifts up, and you just pull the wire out, put the new one back in. It slides down like that. It's plugged in. Put your hinge back on, and assembly is the same as however you took it back off. I will put this all back together and show you that it works. If you did everything right, when you plug it in, your power light will come on. And that's how you replace your DC jack on your Acer computer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave me a comment. I'll see you next time.